Hello, Al Fagundes here with Fagundes Plumbing and Heating. I'm here with Young Jung, and we just did a mini split remodel at this home in Andover, Massachusetts. And Young Jung, how did it go?
It's just absolutely a happy event. We have our AC back in place and they're functioning very well, and we're so happy with that. And you know, Brian, who was working for that, he was absolutely professional and very kind, and he was really communicative so that we were on top of everything about what's going on. So happy with that, and I don't think we can be happier with someone else, and I absolutely recommend a Fagundes.
Well, you heard it there, folks. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next project.